Machine learning makes possible fascinating technology such as self-driving cars, online shopping suggestions, and anti-fraud systems. But these new ideas require some extra help to work properly. That is where pattern recognition comes in. The AI is playing an important role in the human's life. In this article, we will review pattern recognition and machine learning. We will provide a definition, why they matter, where and how they are applied, and how they work. We will also provide examples and typical methodologies. What is pattern recognition and machine learning? Pattern recognition in the human brain allows us to relate what we are seeing to memories we possess. AI and machine learning are trying to replicate this process. Pattern recognition is a computer science technology that examines new information and compares it to information in a database. Since it employs machine learning algorithms to identify patterns, it is a form of machine learning. Machine learning and pattern recognition are used to identify significant patterns in data. They possess four principal characteristics. They learn from data. They notice patterns, but there are gaps. They can recognize known patterns. They identify patterns of different shapes and sizes. The power of machine learning and pattern recognition. Machine learning provides us with awesome new things such as autonomous vehicles, tailored shopping recommendations, and means of detecting fraud. Even the best technology, however, requires some assistance to function effectively. Pattern recognition comes in handy here. Why pattern recognition matters? Pattern recognition allows the computer to mimic the human brain by searching for and interpreting patterns. Pattern recognition is completely essential in making artificial intelligence more effective. Pattern recognition is actually one of the major pillars of computer science. Here's why noticing patterns is very important. It identifies and foretells even the slightest unnoticed details within information. It assists in sorting and categorizing new, unfamiliar information. It makes smart predictions using learning techniques. Pattern recognition and machine learning techniques. Pattern finding and machine learning both use different means of identifying patterns in data. There are three principal types. 1. Statistical pattern recognition. This method learns from experience and makes decisions using rules on new observations. It collects data, analyzes it, and makes predictions based on patterns found in the data. 2. Syntactic pattern recognition, also referred to as structural pattern recognition, and involves using smaller primitives or patterns to develop bigger structures. 3. Neural pattern recognition. This technique employs artificial neural networks to recognize intricate patterns. These networks are trained on data, learn to get better with experience, and employ numerous small processors to sift through enormous amounts of information. Steps of pattern recognition. Pattern recognition and machine learning are achieved in two broad steps. Exploratory stage. The system looks for patterns. Descriptive stage. The system classifies and describes the patterns. Types of patterns found. Pattern recognition can be used for many things, including text and words, shapes and pictures, temperament and emotions, speech and sounds. Various types of data. Steps involved in the pattern recognition process. 1. Gathering data, collecting the information needed. 2. Pre-processing, data cleaning and elimination of undesirable noise. 3. Data analysis, searching for informative features and patterns. 4. Clustering and classifying, grouping and categorizing similar data. 5. Data analysis, understanding what we know because of patterns. 6. Applying insights, using the findings in real-life situations. Applications of pattern recognition and machine learning. Pattern recognition and machine learning are used in numerous fields and in our daily lives. Some of the significant fields where they are of great use are as follows. 1. Computer vision. Machines are able to see and recognize objects within images and videos. Face recognition software cross-checks new images with a humongous database of stored images. This enhances security and authenticates identities. 2. Traffic and surveillance. Car, truck, and bus movements are identified. It assists in tracking traffic and enhancing public safety. 3. Voice assistants. Intelligent assistants such as Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri use speech recognition to listen to you. They then respond to what you have said. 4. Fingerprint scanning, utilized in security devices and systems such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets for quick and safe access. 5. Geology. Geologists look for patterns to identify rocks and minerals. This also helps them to study earthquake patterns to develop better models for earthquakes. Real-life pattern recognition examples: sorting laundry. By putting clean socks in pairs, you are recognizing patterns. Facial recognition. Your eyes, nose, mouth, and ears are identified facial features. Computers bundle these together into a feature vector. This allows facial recognition software to compare new faces with the data it has stored. Conclusion: pattern recognition and machine learning are revolutionizing our world. These technologies simplify and make life smarter. They unlock your phone with a fingerprint and assist doctors in diagnosing diseases. Computers can learn and predict by identifying patterns. They can even improve over time, just like us. As the role of AI advances, pattern recognition will be even more crucial in the future. Its influence is felt in security, healthcare, and daily devices. Would you like to hear more about these groundbreaking technologies? iCertGlobal offers high-quality courses to enable you to learn and become proficient in machine learning and pattern recognition. Start today and become part